Hey everybody, Matthew here at Earthworks, chilling with the Liriope and the Aztec Grass. We have a year-round interest in these Liriope, and they call them grass, but they're not really grass, they're a lily. They can get about 2 feet by 2 feet. The best part is they're evergreen. So this winter, when you're worrying about things disappearing because it's getting cold, these Liriope and these Aztec grass are going to keep your garden looking fantastic. They make great borders, so they can be a nice lower layer, or they could be a mid layer if you have a even lower ground cover in the front, something like Blew My Mind or some seasonal annuals in front of them. But these are very reliable. We have been growing Aztec grass and Liriope, all different varieties of Liriope, for many years, and they make it through the heat, the cold, the rain, the drought. They're one of the easiest plants you can grow once they're established. It takes about 6 months to get them established, so keep an eye on watering for the first 6 months. But after that, they're pretty much carefree. And the best part, not being a shrub, there's nothing to trim and prune. Now on occasion, you'll get some brown leaves and you can just cut those with a pair of scissors as needed. But the best part about them, I think, is the flowers in the middle of summer. They make beautiful purple flowers, which are absolutely gorgeous, especially on these dark green ones. They're really showy. They're somewhat showy on the lighter Aztec grass, but the darker green Liriope with the purple flowers looks fantastic. Come check them out. We keep them in year-round, super cold hardy, super heat tolerant, evergreen, perennials here at Earthworks. Check us out on our YouTube channel, Instagram, and on Facebook. Keep following us for tips and tricks to keep you growing all year round. See you guys next time.